If you are tired, if you feel slow, if you feel worried, that is okay. You are safe here. This is your time. A quiet time. A good time. A time to learn English and to feel stronger inside. So, before we begin, take a slow breath in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Very good. One more time. Breathe in, peace, and breathe out, stress. Beautiful. Now, let your shoulders relax. Let your face relax. Let your heart become calm. And listen to this simple truth. Nothing is impossible. Yes, listen again. Nothing is impossible. Sometimes life feels hard. Sometimes the road feels long. Sometimes we look at other people and think, they are better than me. They are faster than me. I can't do it. But my dear friend, that is not the truth. The truth is this. You are learning. You are growing. You are changing, step by step, day by day. And one day, you will look back and smile, because the thing that looked impossible will become possible. Maybe today your English is not perfect. That is okay. Maybe today you make mistakes. That is okay too. Maybe today you feel shy when you speak. That is normal. Please remember this. Every strong speaker was once a beginner. Every confident person was once afraid. Every success starts small. So today, do not ask, can I be perfect? Ask, can I take one more step? Because one more step matters. One small step matters. One short practice matters. One brave try matters. And yes, you can do it. Now let's say that together. Slowly, clearly, with confidence. I can do it. Again. I can do it. One more time. I can do it. Very nice. Now say this. Nothing is impossible for me. Again. Nothing is impossible for me. Slowly. Nothing is impossible for me. Good. Feel those words. Let them enter your mind. Let them enter your heart. You are not weak. You are not too late. You are not lost. You are on your way. And your way matters. So please stay with me until the end of this video, because this lesson is not only for your English, it is also for your heart. And by the end, I want you to feel calmer, braver, and stronger. Now, let's do a little shadowing practice. I will say a short sentence, and you repeat after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Ready? Repeat after me. I am learning. Again. I am learning. Good. I am improving every day. Again. I am improving every day. Very good. I am not afraid of mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of mistakes. Excellent. My voice matters. Again. My voice matters. Beautiful. I can start small. Again. I can start small. Yes. I can be strong and calm. Again. I can be strong and calm. Wonderful. Now, let's continue. I want to tell you a short story, a simple story, about a girl named Maya. Maya wanted to speak English. She had a dream. She wanted to talk to people, watch videos in English, and speak with confidence. But Maya was afraid, very afraid. When she saw long English sentences, she felt tired. When she heard fast English, she felt lost. And when she tried to speak, she stopped after only a few words. One day, Maya looked in the mirror and said, "Maybe English is too hard for me." That day, she almost gave up. But the next morning, she did something small, very small. She listened to one short English audio, only one. Then she repeated 5 easy sentences, only 5. The next day, she did the same. And the next day, again. Some days were good. Some days were hard. Some days she felt strong. Some days she felt slow. But she did not stop. She kept going. Little by little, her ears changed. Her mouth changed. Her mind changed. Simple words became easy. Easy sentences became natural. And one day, Maya spoke English for 1 full minute. Just 1 minute. But for her, it was a big moment. She smiled because that 1 minute was not only English, it was proof. Proof that she could grow. Proof that she could change. Proof that impossible things can become possible. And do you know the best part? Maya was not special. She was not perfect. She was not the fastest learner. She simply continued. That was her power. And maybe that can be your power too. Not perfect practice, but steady practice. Not big steps, but small steps. Not fear, but courage. Now take a slow breath and think about this. What is your small step today? 1 video? 5 sentences? 10 minutes of listening? A little speaking practice? That is enough. Yes, that is enough. Now I want to give you some simple tips, very easy tips, that can help you. Tip number 1. Practice every day. Not 1 hour, 1 day, and then nothing for a week. No. Better is this. 10 minutes every day. Small practice, big change. Tip number 2. Repeat out loud. Do not only listen. Use your voice. Open your mouth. Speak the words, even if your voice shakes. Speak. Your voice becomes stronger when you use it. Tip number 3. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. If you make a mistake, smile and continue. Tip number 4. Use easy English first. Simple words are powerful. Simple sentences are powerful. You do not need big words to speak well. You need clear words. Tip number 5. Be kind to yourself. Please do not say, "I am stupid. I am too slow. I will never learn." No. Say kind words to yourself. Say, "I am trying. I am growing. I will get better." Because the way you speak to yourself matters. Now, let's do more speaking practice together. This time, feel the meaning. Ready? Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Again. I believe in myself. Good. I can learn step by step. Again. I can learn step by step. Very nice. I do not need to be perfect. Again. I do not need to be perfect. Excellent. I only need to continue. Again. I only need to continue. Yes. Every day I become better. Again. Every day I become better. Beautiful. My future is bright. Again. My future is bright. Wonderful. Now let us say some longer sentences, slowly, with calm energy. Repeat after me. Nothing is impossible when I keep going. Again. Nothing is impossible when I keep going. Very good. I will not stop because I am afraid. Again. I will not stop because I am afraid. Excellent. I will move forward with courage. Again. I will move forward with courage. Good job. My English will grow with daily practice. Again. My English will grow with daily practice. Very nice. I am building a better future for myself. Again. I am building a better future for myself. Amazing. Can you feel it? Your voice is becoming stronger. Your mind is becoming calmer. And your heart is opening. This is not only language practice. This is confidence practice too. So if you ever feel tired, if you ever feel slow, if you ever think, I cannot do this, please stop, take a breath, and remember today's message. Nothing is impossible. Not for you. Not for your dreams. Not for your English. Maybe it will take time. That is okay. Maybe it will take patience. That is okay too. Good things grow slowly. Strong things grow quietly. And you are growing now. Right now, with this video, with this moment, with this breath. You are moving forward. And I am proud of you. Yes, I am proud of you for showing up today. I am proud of you for listening. I am proud of you for trying. Please keep going, even when progress is small, because small progress is still progress. Before we finish, let's say our final affirmations together. Slowly, clearly, from the heart. Repeat after me. Nothing is impossible. Again. Nothing is impossible. I am strong. Again. I am strong. I am calm. Again. I am calm. I am learning every day. Again. I am learning every day. I trust my journey. Again, I trust my journey. I can do this. Again, I can do this. My English is getting better. Again, my English is getting better. Beautiful. Very beautiful.